The sun came out. It's a miracle.
It still exists behind those clouds.
It's a Christmas miracle. Let's go to the farmer's market. No! Food trucks for days.
Hey, the food trucks as far as the eye can see.
Because they're blocking the view.
Yeah.
You want to get the macaroni and cheese?
So pretty, what you see. Now really. California trip.
You got banana cream.
Banana pudding.
Some nice Chianti and grilled cheese sandwiches. And pickles.
Oh, here's the fava beans?
Fava beans. And some brains. Don't run into the wall. Lean back, lean back.
It's late, but it's
No.
On a mission to get 9:30 p.m. ice cream from Rocky Point. We made it.
Wait, I can make soft.
I think I'm gonna do. I did it.
For
I got ice
prosperity.
cream.
Mission accomplished.
What kind did you get?
Cookies and cream.
I got sweet Georgia brown and pumpkin spice. Singing
Man,
in
this
the
is different than
rain.
what I'm used to. I'm gonna like this. I'm singing a fucking hardcore.
Something you, my brown-eyed girl. You right, brown-eyed girl.
We tried so hard. Oh my god, 94%.
We still got 5 stars. That's all that matters.
Whoa!